Hello, design friends. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. If you're staring at your home after taking down the Christmas decorations and wondering how to bring back that cozy lived-in charm, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're exploring affordable farmhouse decor ideas that'll transform your space from post-holiday bare to beautifully inviting. These budget-friendly tips will help you create that relaxed, rustic elegance we all love about farmhouse style. If you're ready to refresh your home without breaking the bank, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment telling me which room you're most excited to tackle, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our design inspiration. Let's start where first impressions begin, your home's exterior. After removing those festive wreaths and garland, your farmhouse facade might feel a little naked. The key is embracing simplicity with character. Consider adding a vintage wooden ladder leaning against your porch, perfect for draping a neutral throw blanket or displaying a galvanized bucket with winter greenery like eucalyptus or magnolia branches. A fresh coat of classic white or soft gray paint on your front door creates that quintessential farmhouse appeal. Repurpose those Christmas planters by filling them with evergreen branches, birch logs, or seasonal stems. This transitional decor, which designers call foundational styling, carries you beautifully through winter's quieter months. Your entryway sets the entire tone for your farmhouse aesthetic, so let's make it both beautiful and practical. Start with a sturdy wall-mounted coat rack. Look for ones with vintage hooks or a reclaimed wood backing. Below it, position a rustic bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage, creating what designers call layered functionality. A vintage-inspired mirror above the bench adds depth and light while serving a practical purpose. Swap that holiday doormat for a classic core or jute version with a simple welcome message. Add a ceramic bowl or wooden tray on the bench for keys and mail. The secret here is creating designated zones that control clutter while maintaining that relaxed farmhouse charm. Now let's breathe new life into your living room, the heart of farmhouse living. Without the Christmas tree, you'll want to create focal points through layered textiles and natural elements. Drape chunky knit throws in cream, oatmeal, or soft gray over your sofa. These textures are essential for achieving that hygge-inspired coziness. Arrange linen or cotton pillows in various sizes, mixing solids with subtle patterns like ticking stripes or grain sack prints. On your coffee table, style a vintage dough bowl filled with wooden beads, candles, or seasonal stems. Replace bright Christmas colors with a neutral palette accented by natural wood tones and matte black hardware for that authentic farmhouse aesthetic. Missing that Christmas tree focal point? Let's redirect the eye to other stunning features in your living room. A gallery wall of vintage-inspired frames, botanical prints, or family photos in mismatched frames creates visual interest and tells your story. Consider a large-scale vintage window frame leaning against the wall, or a distressed wooden sign with a meaningful quote. Flank your fireplace or a blank wall with tall floor vases filled with cotton stems, pampas grass, or branches. This vertical interest fills that empty feeling perfectly. Style your mantle with symmetrical arrangements of candlesticks, greenery, and vintage finds. This approach to vertical layering adds dimension without overwhelming your space. Your dining room deserves the same attention as your Christmas table, just with more sustainable, everyday styling. Start with a table runner in natural linen or burlap. This foundational layer grounds your entire tablescape. Create a simple centerpiece using a wooden tray or vintage breadboard displaying pillar candles in varying heights, a small potted herb like rosemary, and perhaps a ceramic pitcher. Keep your everyday dishes visible if they're white or neutral. Open shelving or a hutch displaying ironstone or stoneware adds authentic farmhouse character. Consider swapping fancy Christmas napkins for everyday linen ones in natural tones. The goal is effortless elegance, a table that's always ready for gathering without looking overly styled. Let's talk about seating arrangements that enhance your farmhouse dining experience. If you have a wooden dining table, consider mixing seating styles, perhaps a rustic bench on one side and mismatched vintage chairs around the rest. This collected over time look is quintessentially farmhouse. Refinish or paint older chairs in complementary neutrals if they don't match. Chalk paint creates that perfect distressed finish easily. Add simple seat cushions in ticking stripe or natural linen for comfort and softness. A vintage church pew makes a stunning statement piece if you have the space. This eclectic approach creates visual interest while maintaining that welcoming, lived-in feel we love about farmhouse design. Your kitchen cabinets can undergo a farmhouse transformation without a full renovation. If you have builder-grade cabinets, consider removing some upper cabinet doors to create open shelving. This instantly adds farmhouse character and costs nothing. Display white dishes, vintage crocks, and wooden cutting boards for that kitchen as living space aesthetic. Replace modern hardware with matte black or aged brass knobs and pulls from affordable retailers. If painting isn't in your budget, try peel and stick shiplap wallpaper on a single accent wall or inside open shelves for subtle texture. Arrange everyday items like flour and sugar in glass canisters with chalkboard labels for functional decor that serves a purpose. Now let's address those modern appliances. Your refrigerator, stove, and coffee maker can absolutely coexist with farmhouse style. For stainless steel appliances, consider magnetic chalkboard panels or appliance covers that mimic a vintage look. Style the top of your refrigerator with woven baskets or a vintage tray holding cookbooks. Around your stove, add a vintage-inspired backsplash or simply hang wooden spoons and copper pots on hooks for functional wall decor. That small coffee station deserves attention too. Place your machine on a vintage wooden tray with a small pitcher for creamers and a ceramic container for sugar. Even modern appliances feel intentional when they're grounded with natural, rustic accessories surrounding them. Your kitchen countertops need to balance practicality with that farmhouse aesthetic we're creating. Start with a wooden cutting board leaning against the backsplash. This adds instant warmth and vertical interest. Group items in threes or odd numbers, which designers call the rule of odds, for more visually appealing arrangements. A ceramic utensil holder, a small potted herb, and a vintage scale create an attractive vignette. Near the sink, display a pretty dish soap dispenser in ceramic or amber glass with a natural bristle brush. Keep frequently used items like olive oil in attractive bottles. The secret is making functional items beautiful. Choose pieces that work hard but look like they belong in a lifestyle magazine. Your family room with that flat-screen TV can absolutely feel farmhouse cozy with the right approach. Start by mounting the TV or placing it on a rustic console table made from reclaimed wood or a vintage buffet refinished in a weathered finish. Surround the TV with a gallery wall or lean oversized vintage frames around it to minimize its visual impact. Below, style the console with baskets holding remotes and magazines, small plants, and stacked vintage books. Add comfortable seating with a sectional in neutral slipcovers or a leather sofa with plenty of textured throw pillows. A large jute or wool area rug defines the space and adds softness underfoot for that inviting, sink-in comfort every family room needs. Let's carve out a productive workspace that doesn't sacrifice your farmhouse aesthetic. Position a simple wooden desk. Even a vintage door on sawhorses works beautifully, near natural light if possible. Add a comfortable chair, perhaps a vintage wooden office chair or an upholstered one in neutral linen. On your desk, keep a small vintage radio for background ambience, a unique desk clock with farmhouse character, and a ceramic pencil holder. Wall mount a reclaimed wood shelf above for books and decorative objects. Use woven baskets or vintage metal bins for file storage that's both functional and attractive. A small table lamp with an Edison bulb provides task lighting with vintage appeal. This multifunctional design proves workspaces can be both productive and beautiful. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook, your personal retreat within your home. Choose an underutilized corner and start with comfortable seating. An oversized chair, a vintage settee, or even a window seat with cushions. Layer it with soft throws and pillows in natural fabrics like linen, cotton, and wool. Position a small side table within reach for your coffee and current read. Add a floor lamp with warm tone lighting. An arc lamp or a vintage pharmacy lamp works perfectly. Install floating shelves or a small bookcase nearby for accessible storage. A small area rug defines this cozy zone, and perhaps a potted plant adds life. This intentional sanctuary becomes your favorite spot for quiet moments and slow living. Your bedroom should be a serene sanctuary, and farmhouse style naturally lends itself to peaceful spaces. Start with your bed, the focal point. Dressed in white or neutral linen bedding with layers of texture through quilts, throws, and Euro shams. A vintage wooden headboard or even a salvaged door mounted horizontally adds architectural interest. Flank the bed with mismatched nightstands for that collected look, perhaps a vintage crate and a small wooden table. Simple ginger jar lamps or industrial-style sconces provide ambient lighting. Keep surfaces minimal with just a small potted plant, a vintage alarm clock, and perhaps a wooden tray for jewelry. This serene simplicity promotes rest while maintaining character. Let's add those finishing touches that make your farmhouse bedroom truly special. Window treatments should be simple yet soft. Consider linen curtains in natural tones that filter light gently. At the foot of your bed, place a vintage bench or wooden trunk for storing extra blankets while adding functionality. A woven basket beside the bed holds throw pillows at night or extra blankets. On your walls, hang simple artwork like botanical prints in wooden frames or a large vintage window frame as architectural art. A full-length mirror with a weathered frame leans casually against the wall. These carefully chosen soft accents create layers of comfort without cluttering your peaceful retreat. Your bathroom can feel like a farmhouse spa with thoughtful, affordable updates. Around your shower area, replace a plastic curtain with a simple white or linen texture fabric shower curtain, instantly more elevated. Add a vintage wooden stool or ladder for holding towels and creating vertical interest. Near your wastafel or sink, display hand soap in an amber glass dispenser and hand towels on a vintage towel bar or hook. A wooden tray on the counter organizes everyday essentials like lotion and tissues while containing clutter. Add a small potted plant or eucalyptus bundle for spa vibes. A vintage-inspired mirror replaces builder-grade versions. These simple swaps create that rustic refinement bathrooms need to feel special. Storage in farmhouse bathrooms should be as beautiful as it is functional. Install open wooden shelving above the toilet or beside the sink for displaying rolled towels in wire baskets, vintage apothecary jars holding cotton balls and small plants. A vintage metal cart with wheels becomes mobile storage for extra toiletries while adding industrial farmhouse character. Use galvanized buckets or ceramic crocks to hold toilet paper. It's functional yet decorative. Mount hooks on the back of the door for robes using vintage or matte black hardware. A vintage wooden crate mounted sideways becomes a unique shelf. This approach to visible storage keeps necessities accessible while contributing to your overall aesthetic rather than detracting from it. Yes, even your garage deserves farmhouse attention. This often neglected space can be organized beautifully while maintaining your aesthetic. Install simple wooden pegboards painted in neutral tones for hanging tools, bikes, and garden supplies. Functional wall storage with visual appeal. Use vintage metal bins or galvanized buckets on shelving for organizing smaller items like gardening gloves, car supplies, and hardware. A vintage workbench becomes both functional and attractive workspace. Paint garage walls in light neutral colors to brighten the space and make it feel more intentional. Add industrial-style lighting fixtures with Edison bulbs. Even your utility spaces can reflect your farmhouse values of purposeful simplicity. Everything has its place and beauty and function. Let's prepare your farmhouse patio for the transitional season ahead. Start by cleaning and organizing outdoor furniture. Position wooden Adirondack chairs or a vintage metal glider for seating. Layer with outdoor pillows in weather-resistant fabrics with neutral patterns. A wooden coffee table or vintage crate becomes a surface for holding drinks and books. Hang string lights with Edison bulbs across your patio space for ambient evening lighting. Place large ceramic or galvanized planters with evergreens, ornamental grasses, or winter pansies for living texture. A vintage ladder leans against the wall, displaying small potted plants. This outdoor room approach extends your living space and embraces the farmhouse tradition of connecting with nature year-round. Let me share my favorite sources for affordable farmhouse finds that won't drain your post-holiday budget. Thrift stores and estate sales are treasure troves for vintage pieces with authentic character. Look for wooden furniture, vintage frames, and unique accessories. Big box home improvement stores carry surprisingly good faux vintage pieces at budget prices. Online marketplaces offer both new farmhouse-style items and secondhand gems. Don't overlook your own attic or basement. Repurpose and refinish what you already own. Nature provides free decor through branches, pine cones, and greenery from your yard. The most authentic farmhouse style comes from collected over time pieces with stories, not perfectly matched sets bought all at once. Patience and creativity matter more than budget. The beautiful thing about farmhouse style is its inherent sustainability and timelessness. Unlike trendy decor that changes yearly, farmhouse pieces work across seasons with minor adjustments. Invest in quality-neutral foundation pieces, a good sofa, solid wood furniture, and classic textiles, then accent seasonally with smaller, changeable items. This capsule decorating approach, similar to a capsule wardrobe, means fewer purchases and less waste. Choose natural materials like wood, cotton, linen, and metal that age beautifully rather than plastics that deteriorate. Shop secondhand first, giving existing pieces new life. This mindful approach not only saves money, but also aligns with farmhouse values of resourcefulness, quality over quantity, and respecting materials that have stood the test of time. And there you have it, friends. A complete guide to refreshing your entire home with affordable farmhouse style after the Christmas season. Remember, creating a beautiful farmhouse aesthetic isn't about perfection or expensive purchases. It's about layering natural textures, embracing imperfection, and making your house feel like home. Start with one room that excites you most. Implement these budget-friendly ideas, and watch your space transform into that cozy, welcoming haven you've been dreaming about. I'd love to hear which tip you're trying first. Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration that's always practical and achievable. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our next farmhouse tutorial. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love.